So what I would consider the most annoying sound in the world. So I don't know. When I think about that, the one thing that comes to mind for me is like hearing like somebody scratching like on a chalkboard and stuff. Like just hearing that really sharp, high pitched sound and stuff. Like I mean that is just terrible. Like, I can't. I don't know. I'm sure that there's other sounds that are like just as bad or just as annoying, but like hearing a chalkboard like scratching, like somebody scratching a chalkboard. Let me tell you that does it for me.